Zaggle, by the way, has actually increased its top-line guidance for the year. It was 35 to 40% earlier. Now they're saying 40 to 45%. So let's straight away get to it. In fact, we have the management joining in to talk about what has been a strong second quarter for the company. Avinash Godkhindi, MD and CEO at Zaggle, is with us now. Avinash, great to have you in. So what makes you confident about this guidance revision? Is it, more contracts, more deals coming through? I mean, just explain to us. It's also been overall a very good quarter with margin expansion.
Yes. Thank you so much for having me, Subi. Good morning. It's been a great quarter and we see great tailwinds, lots of momentum building in the business, lots of consolidation happening in our space. We're seeing a lot of opportunities come to us. And we've been speaking about this consistently, and that is actually reflecting now in the numbers. So that's what makes us very bullish. We see great opportunity for the coming quarters as well.
Okay, all right. Hi, Avinash. Good to see you in. So upping the top line guidance and your margins as well, seem to be in a good space. Tell us what's the trajectory out there, and also since you're sitting on a pile of cash, you had hinted last time around there could be some more inorganic growth. Should we hear something in the second half of the year?
Fingers crossed, absolutely, yes. We will announce hopefully more interesting activities in the inorganic side. And on the margin side, look, we've already given a guidance of 10 to 11% for this year. We've said in about 5 odd years, we will be at about 14-15% level. And about 5 to 7 years, we'll be $1 billion in revenue. So we are on track to achieve that. And things are looking great in terms of momentum for us. And a lot of new areas like our fleet management has started to really show great traction with exceptional wins. Adani Total Gas being a very big one, Meta Gas being another one. So a lot of big wins coming in, newer lines of business as well.
Okay, all right. And you said $1 billion of revenues is where you're going to be looking, you're going to be headed by when?
In about 7 years, yeah.
In about 7 years. And how much of that would be inorganic?
Difficult to say that with precision. 7 years is a very long time. I may lose all my hair by then, but
the street will be okay if you lose your hair as long as you get to the $1 billion.
We will, God willing, yes, we will. And a lot of it would also be organic. See, end of the day, the business so far has been built largely organic, and we see great tailwinds. Overall spend management as a space is really getting appreciated in India today. And our Brome product, where we are seeing awesome traction in terms of the petty cash, the utility bills. So many companies have petty cash leakage. They have compliance issues there. The system really works beautifully, overlaying on top of UPI. UPI typically is a B2C use case in India. We have converted that into a B2B2C use case here. And that's the innovation where it allows us to be able to give the same benefit to the user while giving all the controls to the corporate. So it's a great marriage there.
So, Avinash, you have retained your EBITDA margin guidance. You've upped the revenue guidance. EBITDA, you're saying margins should be around 10 to 11%, right? This is despite, I think, in the second quarter at the gross level, there was some pressure in margins. Can you just walk us through what's going in the margin mix and, which of your businesses will be perhaps more margin accretive in the second half?
See, margins and momentum in our business always is second half H2 heavy, right? There is seasonality in the business. It's a 40-60 sort of split, give or take. And margin expansion also tends to happen in these quarters at times. In some previous years, it's not been the case, but operating leverage has really started to kick in a big way. So we see the opportunity to expand margins in the coming 2 quarters is also there. Overall, I see margins growing this quarter. Also, our margins have improved from last quarter as well as last year.
Avinash, good speaking with you, and seeing the hair on your head, I don't think you will. You got to worry about that at all.
So doesn't really matter in the larger scheme of things, honestly.
Nice crop of hair there. Thanks very much with that aspiration, the guidance, and good luck to you and your team as you continue to execute. Appreciate it.